Hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you all are doing well and happy. I'm Narayana from Sri Lanka. From today on, I'm gonna record a video every day and share with you. I hope it'll help me to improve further, and also I think it will help you to start your English journey. I know there are so many people out there who are struggling to speak and don't know what to do. So I think I can help them to start their journey by recording themselves. So you can follow my steps. I think it will help you to start your journey. So let's start together. Today, I'm gonna start by telling you my routine. It's so simple topic, and it's really appropriate topic for beginners, and I think I should start from the simple steps. That's why I'm gonna do it. So let's get started. Before I start, I want to remind you an important thing. Nothing beats practice. So try to be prepared before record yourself. You can write down some notes, what you're going to talk about, what are the important things, what are the things that you shouldn't miss out. So try to write down some notes and try to collect your thoughts by writing. It helps us to do it confidently. So try to be prepared before record yourself. Here's my routine. I wake up around 5:30 a.m. and spend few minutes in bed until feeling some energy, and then I get up and drink some water. Next, I treat myself to a cup of coffee, and after enjoying my coffee, I cook for my family. I love multitask by cooking our breakfast and lunch together, and also listening to something in English like a podcast episode or a YouTube video. It helps me to save my time, and also it helps me to improve my listening skills in English. And next, I take my breakfast with my husband. And after having my breakfast, I do all the house chore like tidying up, organizing my house and kitchen, stuff like that. And then I take a shower. And almost every day after 10 a.m., I have alarms set for each hour. To stay on track with my schedule. It helps me not to waste my time. And also, in my spare time, I love reading books and watching Netflix, scrolling through social media. And also, I love doing activities and attending meeting sessions with my friends in English learning communities as often as possible, because it helps me to improve my speaking skills in English, and also it's so enjoyable. That's why I love doing it. And after 4 p.m., I start preparing our dinner and also doing some other householding things. And then I try to kick back and relax. And I hit the hay after 10 p.m. That's my routine. Thanks for listening, and I hope you'll join me with this task. Try to record yourself a little bit each day. So let's do this together. Have fun. Bye.